What makes chashu so addictive? The fat, the flavor, or the smoky finish? Most of the time, I love exploring recipes I've never tried.
Today, I'm making pork belly chashu. Friends from around the world have asked me about ramen, so I decided to begin with the chashu itself. This broth will become ramen in my next video.
Chashu came from the Chinese roasted pork called chashu. In Japan, it turned into a simmered style and soon became the classic ramen topping. Let's get started. Rub salt, pepper, and garlic all over the pork. Let it rest 30 to 60 minutes. Resting makes the flavors penetrate deeply. Roll the pork belly with the far side out and tie it tightly with kitchen twine. Sear the pork on all sides over high heat until golden. Browning seals in umami and adds aroma. Pour in the sauce with soy, mirin, sake, sugar, water, plus green onion, ginger, and garlic. Place the drop lid and simmer gently for 1.5 to 2 hours. Occasionally, spoon the broth over the pork to keep it moist. Let it cool in the broth, then refrigerate overnight. Chilling makes slicing neat and clean. Slice the chilled pork. Work lightly in a pan with a little oil. Then torch the surface for a smoky finish. Warming first removes the shell, and torching adds irresistible aroma. Slice it, torch it, and just look at the shine. The fat melts, the meat is tender, and the aroma is incredible. Next time, I'll turn this broth into a rich bowl of ramen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy your meal.